It's Marky. I just wanted to get on here and talk about Sweet Sweat. I'm about to go to the gym, and this is a waist trimmer that you can wear in the gym. You can wear it during home workouts, jogging, anytime you're gonna build up a sweat, basically. It comes in this little mesh bag with a drawstring. I at first thought it was just for convenience, but then I saw that it's actually a wash bag also. So you can just, when you're done with it, you need to wash it, you fold it back up, put it in here, throw it in the washing machine, which is super convenient. We love something that's easy and low maintenance. When you take it out, it is really soft material on the outside. It feels really nice, really smooth, like it's not gonna catch on your clothing. And then the inside is this neoprene, which is almost like a rubbery kind of texture. You can see it's kind of texturized rubber. And this is what makes you sweat. And it has been such a helper for me. I've loved every part of it. It has this really strong Velcro. This doesn't move. So whenever you're wearing it at the gym, running, working out, lifting weights, this doesn't move. I've had other ones where I've had to adjust them because they fall down, move them up, move them down. This one doesn't move at all. It's amazing. Also, when you're done working out, I like to just go into the locker room and I will just get a wet paper towel and wipe this off. And it's good to go. I fold it back up, put it back in my bag, and it's ready to go for next time. And then, like I said, if you want to, you can throw it in the washing machine and just follow the little instructions that come with it. I think I've had it for about 2 months now. I've washed it multiple times. The lettering hasn't come off. The Velcro is still just as sticky as it always was. So it's really durable. And if you were in the market for something like this, I would highly recommend it. Thank you.